It is time. It's time for the lightning round. That's right. Of course, another CNBC TV. Play this sound. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Dash? The lightning round. We're going to start with Brock in California. Brock.
Jim, booyah.
Booyah, Brock.
Hey, my question today is on Palantir.
Okay, I have been against Palantir for some time until they put together a terrific quarter, and I told the CFO that, and I think that they should come on because the stock's going higher. August in Nevada, August.
Hey, Jim. Thank you for taking my call.
My pleasure.
This year, home builder stocks have seen a ton of interest, and I want to get your thoughts on one that has moved significantly this year, and that stock is Tri Pointe Homes.
Tri Pointe is still good. I do prefer Toll, and I prefer Lennar, but I've got to admit the guys from Tri Pointe have really put together a fabulous business plan, and housing continues to go up in price no matter what the Fed does. Let's go to Leah Beth in North Carolina. Leah Beth.
Hi, Jim. Thanks so much for taking my call today.
Of course. Of course.
My question, as we are heading into earnings, what are your thoughts right now on Transmedic?
Okay, this is transplant therapy, which is so vital in this country that I think that it transcends the earnings, and I do like the story. Let's go to Brandon in New Jersey. Brandon.
Hey, Jim. So,
what's happening?
Yeah, my girlfriend, she really loves this restaurant, and I don't really care for it, but I was wondering what you think about its stock. Of course, I'm talking about Cheesecake Factory.
Yeah, you got a big menu there, a lot of choices. That's okay. My take is that Chipotle down a lot today is the one you want to go with, okay? I like Chipotle more. Let's go to Bob in Florida. Bob.
Hello there, Jim. Thank you for taking my call.
Of course.
I'd like to get your opinion about a small airline company that's not very well known. It's got good fundamentals, including the highest net margin in the industry. Frequently outperforms all the other airlines in my watch list. What do you think about Copa Holdings?
It's impressive. I just went fishing in Panama. It was one of the great alternatives. I think it's a good situation that people don't know about. I think you got horse sense. Let's go to Ricky in Mississippi. Ricky.
How you doing, Mr. Jim?
I am doing well. How about you?
From Mississippi. I'd like to get your input. I've got my IRA, probably 10% of my total net worth of my IRA in SMCI.
Well, that's a good one, but you know it is a second tier. It's second to NVIDIA as a way to play AI. So you remember, you're in the number 2, not the number 1. Let's go to Phil in Kansas. Phil.
Hey, Jim. Big booyah from Lawrence, Kansas. Go Jayhawks. I'm looking at RKLB, Rocket Lab.
No, let's move on from Rocket Labs. Let's move on from the losing money. A space system stock that is up this much, almost 100%, that's losing money, is not my cup of tea. I need Ken in Ohio. Ken, and a cup of tea, please. What's up?
This is Ken from Ohio, and I've been watching you since Kudlow days.
Oh, my God. That was black and white TV. Incredible. What's happening?
Okay. I've had Merck for 2 years. I'm up about 42%. Should I continue to hold it?
I think Merck is reinventing itself and is doing a terrific job, and I want you to hold the stock. Gary in New Jersey. Gary.
Good evening, Jim. Thank you for taking my call.
Of course. What's up?
I got a question on a bank stock I acquired 5 years ago when my bank was bought out. The stock was KRNY, Carney.
Okay, that's making a comeback, but I've got to tell you, if you're going to be in the lower quality ones, you probably want to be in Key, which isn't that bad. But otherwise, Wells Fargo just announced a gigantic buyback. Why not go with Wells? Big name for the Charitable Trust. How about Nick in Florida? Nick.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill. It's Nick from Florida.
Okay.
I want to give you a big shout-out, thank you, ahead of time, because you might be the only one who can put this in the proper perspective. It's absurd that our government has thrown a funeral pall over the entire pharmaceutical industry. Even my favorite person who I look up to in this world is paying top dollar for her meds up in Lindenhurst, New York. And what Rachel spends on her meds, you would figure these companies should not be charting lower. Aside from Eli Lilly, which may have a more realized valuation, do you think there is a catch-up trade now in good old Bristol Myers
No,
Squibb?
I do not. Not unless the government drops the provisions that it just made to make it that are very onerous for the Bristol Myers of the world. And that, ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Coming up, hello, operator. Get me any major CEO. Every earnings call tells a story, but they're not all happy tales. Cramer explains next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.